Et je dis à nous un petit temps vraiment pour nous faire tirer les mains avec vous. Et de qui côté vous sorti. Donc, il y a une chose qui est extrêmement important. Et je ne vais pas dire encore et encore. Et on est supposé toujours fier de Rasin et on est supposé toujours fier de qui côté vous sorti. Donc, parfois dans la vie, par exemple, nous venons dans des positions et côté d'un PC, nous capable de shy away from our roots. I think that's bad, and I think that's wrong. I think that we need to always be proud of who we are and never, I repeat, never trade your roots for anybody else's roots because regardless of where you are in life, your roots will always stay with you. And therefore, I believe that you should be proud of yourself and never try to change for anybody and just be yourself. In fact, I think that the world gives you more respect when you really proud of who you are, when you're quick to tell people where you come from. So long as it's not going to be used against you, I think you should be proud. It should be such a pride to tell people where you come from. And again, no matter what you do, you will never be able to change who you are. You will never be able to get rid of your roots, and therefore, I think you might as well embrace it. Because the truth is, as I said again, people will give you more respect if they know where you come from and know of trying to commingle or trying to fit a particular group just to be accepted. It is who you are. You are who you are, and you can never change that. I think the simple thing to do and the best thing to do it is just to accept who you are.